buffalo arrive in herds 2,000 strong. Powerful, aggressive, and united, they're the most dangerous animal a lion can face. The biggest bulls don't run. They're simply too huge to be scared of lions. At 900 kilos, he weighs more than all 5 lionesses combined. The Pride do have numbers on their side, but one sweep of his horns could be deadly. One distracts the bull up front, while her sisters attack from behind. The cats must somehow topple the buffalo, but with swamp underfoot, they can't get any traction. The bull is weakening, but the lions are tiring too. It's now a battle of will as much as strength. To live, the bull must somehow shake off the lioness. The bull is wounded, but thanks to his 2-inch thick hide, he will recover. For the Pride, these are hungry times.